Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to use pen tool to crop an image in Photoshop. Okay. See this image. Use the pen tool path. Okay. Then start click and drag it. Pixels. Press Alt, hold Alt, then remove selection. Hold Alt, click remove. Apply the same formula. And again resize selection, hold Control. Okay. Then layer mask. Double click. We can see this. Remove background or crop image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.